Hi, I'm Theresa Wellman with homeownerexperience.com, a local San Jose, California real estate agent. Today I'm going to go over the market stats for July 2019, as well as talk about what's coming up and my experience in the field. Well, first we're looking just at San Jose stats through July 2019. Currently, there are 614 active listings on the market, which is higher than the last 2 Julys that we've had, but it's still lower than the 2013 to 2016 market. So doom and gloom has not happened. Inventory, yes, is up, but it's up to a more normal, healthy level. Now let's talk about the sales, because of course that's a factor as well. There were 424 sales in July 2019, which is similar to last year in 2018. But it's still lower quite significantly than the previous years from 2017 and before, anywhere from 14 to 43% less. So yes, sales have been down, which is probably why you feel there's a lot more inventory out there, because it's just not moving as fast. But one thing that's kind of significant to note, that of all the sales in Santa Clara County, over half of them were in San Jose. Interesting, right? Now let's talk about days of inventory. If you've listened to me before, you know that's kind of a metric of how fast the market is moving. It's how long or how many days it will take to sell all of the inventory that we have. Currently it's 43. Did you know the average in San Jose since 2012 is actually 42? So we're right there on that average. Pretty interesting. Now the average price in San Jose is $1.23 million. That's down 2% year over year, but still up quite a bit, 13% from June 2017. Now, of course, real estate is super local, so if you want to look at specific stats for your area of San Jose, please visit my website at homeownerexperience.com and you'll look under market stats. There are several areas broken down with discussions on some of those as well. As I mentioned briefly above, you probably feel that inventory, there's a lot of it and it's sitting. And that's true in some cases. What I'm seeing is a big disparity in the market out there on the field. The homes that are preps, priced well for the competition, are moving quickly and sometimes multiple offers. There's a lot of inventory out there though that just hasn't been prepped. People are selling it as is, without doing any work. Now, the market just isn't for that. We're still technically in a seller's market with days of inventory of 43, but that means that, buyers have a little more leverage, or they're looking for something at these price points, 1.2 million average, that are move-in ready. Think about it. That's a lot of money. Wouldn't you want to buy a house at $1.2 million that you could just move right in and not worry about? If you'd like to know a little bit more about these properties and that are selling quickly, that have been prepped, and what that means, please look at my video of 8 steps of getting your house ready to sell. The link will be below. Until next month, enjoy the last week of summer before school's back in session.